Welcome! Today, we're diving into the concept of a case review. Whether you're facing a legal issue, a medical situation, or a workplace concern, understanding what a case review is can help you feel more prepared and confident. In this video, we'll break down the basics, explain the process, and let you know what to expect every step of the way. Let's start by defining what a case review actually means and why it's such an important part of decision-making in many fields. A case review is a structured evaluation of a specific situation or case by a group of professionals or experts. The goal is to assess all available information, identify key issues, and make recommendations or decisions. Case reviews are common in legal, medical, and business environments. They help ensure that decisions are fair, thorough, and based on evidence. By bringing together different perspectives, a case review can uncover details that might otherwise be missed. Case reviews play a crucial role in ensuring accountability and transparency. They provide a systematic way to look at all aspects of a case, which can lead to better outcomes. For example, in healthcare, case reviews can improve patient safety by identifying errors or gaps in care. In legal settings, they help guarantee that all evidence is considered before making a judgment. Ultimately, case reviews help organizations learn, improve, and avoid repeating mistakes. The participants in a case review depend on the context. In a medical case review, you might see doctors, nurses, and specialists. In a legal case review, lawyers, judges, and sometimes outside experts are involved. In business, managers, HR professionals, and relevant team members may take part. The key is to include people with the right expertise and perspectives to thoroughly evaluate the case. This collaborative approach helps ensure a well-rounded review. There are several types of case reviews, each tailored to specific needs. For instance, peer reviews are common in healthcare, where colleagues evaluate each other's cases. In legal settings, appellate reviews examine decisions made by lower courts. Businesses might conduct performance reviews or incident investigations. Each type of review has its own procedures and goals, but all share the common purpose of improving outcomes and ensuring fairness. Case reviews can occur at different stages depending on the situation. Sometimes, they happen after an incident to understand what went wrong. Other times, they're scheduled regularly to monitor ongoing cases or performance. In legal cases, reviews might be triggered by appeals or new evidence. The timing is important because it can influence the effectiveness of the review and the actions taken afterward. Preparation is key to a successful case review. This involves gathering all relevant documents, evidence, and reports. Participants should review the materials ahead of time and come ready to discuss the details. It's also important to set clear objectives for the review, such as identifying problems, making recommendations, or deciding on next steps. Good preparation ensures that the review is focused and productive. A typical case review follows a structured agenda. It usually starts with an overview of the case, followed by a presentation of the facts. Next, participants discuss the issues, ask questions, and share their perspectives. The group then works together to identify solutions or make recommendations. Finally, the review concludes with a summary of findings and action items. This structure keeps the discussion organized and ensures that all important points are covered. The first step in a case review is presenting the case. This involves outlining the background, key facts, and any relevant history. The presenter should be clear and concise, making sure everyone understands the situation. Visual aids like charts or timelines can help clarify complex information. The goal is to give all participants a solid foundation before moving into deeper discussion. After the case is presented, the group reviews all available evidence. This might include documents, witness statements, or expert opinions. Each piece of evidence is examined for relevance and reliability. Participants may ask questions or request clarification. This thorough review helps ensure that decisions are based on accurate and complete information. Once the evidence has been reviewed, the group works to identify the key issues at the heart of the case. This step is crucial because it focuses the discussion on what really matters. Participants may debate which issues are most important or urgent. By narrowing down the list, the group can prioritize their efforts and make the review more effective. The heart of the case review is the group discussion. Here, participants share their perspectives, raise concerns, and suggest possible solutions. Open communication is encouraged, and everyone's input is valued. This collaborative approach often leads to creative ideas and better decisions. The discussion may be guided by a facilitator to keep things on track. After discussing the issues, the group works together to make recommendations. These might include changes to procedures, further investigation, or specific actions to address problems. Recommendations should be practical, achievable, and clearly communicated. The goal is to provide a roadmap for improvement or resolution. It's important to document the case review process and outcomes. This includes recording the discussion, decisions made, and any recommendations. Proper documentation ensures accountability and provides a record for future reference. It also helps track progress and measure the impact of any changes implemented as a result of the review. Confidentiality is a key aspect of case reviews, especially when sensitive information is involved. Participants are expected to respect privacy and handle all materials with care. This protects the individuals involved and maintains trust in the review process. Organizations often have strict policies to ensure confidentiality is upheld at all times. A facilitator often leads the case review to keep the discussion focused and productive. The facilitator sets the agenda, encourages participation, and ensures that all voices are heard. They also help manage conflicts and keep the group on track. A skilled facilitator can make a big difference in the quality and outcome of the review. Case reviews can face challenges such as conflicting opinions, incomplete information, or time constraints. It's important to address these issues openly and work towards consensus. Having clear guidelines and a strong facilitator can help overcome obstacles and keep the review process effective. Despite the challenges, case reviews offer many benefits. They promote learning, improve decision-making, and help organizations identify areas for improvement. By involving multiple perspectives, case reviews can lead to more balanced and effective solutions. They also foster a culture of accountability and continuous improvement. In healthcare, case reviews are used to analyze patient cases, identify errors, and improve care quality. Multidisciplinary teams review cases to learn from mistakes and share best practices. This process helps prevent future errors and enhances patient safety. Regular case reviews are a cornerstone of quality improvement in hospitals and clinics. Legal case reviews involve examining evidence, legal arguments, and previous decisions. They help ensure that justice is served and that all relevant information is considered. Appellate courts, for example, conduct case reviews to determine if lower courts made errors. This process is essential for maintaining fairness and upholding the law. Businesses use case reviews to evaluate incidents, performance, or projects. These reviews help identify what went well and what could be improved. By analyzing successes and failures, organizations can refine their strategies and processes. Case reviews also support a culture of transparency and continuous learning. In education, case reviews are used to assess student progress, teaching methods, or school incidents. Educators and administrators collaborate to identify challenges and develop solutions. This process helps improve educational outcomes and ensures that students receive the support they need. Social service agencies conduct case reviews to evaluate client cases, monitor progress, and ensure appropriate support. Teams discuss challenges, share insights, and coordinate care. This collaborative approach helps agencies provide better services and address complex needs more effectively. In technology fields, case reviews are used to analyze system failures, security breaches, or project outcomes. Teams review technical details, identify root causes, and develop solutions to prevent future issues. This process supports innovation and helps maintain high standards of quality and security. Financial institutions use case reviews to assess transactions, investigate irregularities, and ensure compliance. Teams review documentation, analyze data, and recommend actions to address risks. This process helps protect assets and maintain trust with clients and regulators. HR departments conduct case reviews to address employee concerns, investigate complaints, or evaluate performance. These reviews help ensure fair treatment and support a positive workplace culture. By addressing issues promptly, HR can prevent conflicts and promote employee well-being. Project managers use case reviews to assess project progress, identify risks, and ensure goals are met. Teams review milestones, discuss challenges, and adjust plans as needed. This process helps keep projects on track and support successful outcomes. Customer service teams conduct case reviews to analyze complaints, resolve issues, and improve service quality. By reviewing customer interactions, teams can identify trends and develop strategies to enhance satisfaction. This process helps build stronger relationships with customers. Insurance companies use case reviews to evaluate claims, investigate fraud, and ensure fair settlements. Teams review policy details, assess evidence, and make recommendations. This process helps protect both the company and its clients. Government agencies conduct case reviews to evaluate policies, investigate incidents, and ensure compliance with regulations. Teams analyze data, review procedures, and recommend changes to improve public services. This process supports transparency and accountability in government operations. Researchers use case reviews to analyze study results, assess methodologies, and ensure ethical standards. Teams review data, discuss findings, and suggest improvements for future research. This process helps maintain scientific integrity and advance knowledge. Construction teams conduct case reviews to evaluate project safety, quality, and progress. Teams review incidents, inspect work, and recommend improvements. This process helps prevent accidents and ensures projects meet standards. Nonprofit organizations use case reviews to assess program effectiveness, evaluate outcomes, and ensure resources are used wisely. Teams review data, discuss challenges, and develop strategies for improvement. This process supports the mission and maximizes impact. Manufacturing teams conduct case reviews to analyze production issues, improve quality, and ensure safety. Teams review incidents, inspect processes, and recommend changes. This process helps maintain high standards and prevent future problems. Transportation companies use case reviews to investigate accidents, assess safety, and improve operations. Teams review incident reports, analyze data, and recommend changes. This process helps protect passengers and ensure efficient service. Hospitality businesses conduct case reviews to evaluate guest experiences, resolve complaints, and improve service. Teams review feedback, discuss incidents, and develop action plans. This process helps enhance guest satisfaction and maintain high standards. Retailers use case reviews to analyze sales trends, investigate losses, and improve customer service. Teams review data, discuss challenges, and recommend changes. This process helps boost sales and enhance the shopping experience. Agricultural organizations conduct case reviews to assess crop performance, investigate issues, and improve practices. Teams review data, discuss solutions, and implement changes. This process helps increase yields and ensure sustainability. Energy companies use case reviews to analyze incidents, assess safety, and improve efficiency. Teams review reports, discuss findings, and recommend changes. This process helps prevent accidents and support reliable energy delivery. Environmental organizations conduct case reviews to assess projects, investigate incidents, and ensure compliance with regulations. Teams review data, discuss solutions, and recommend improvements. This process helps protect natural resources and promote sustainability. Arts organizations use case reviews to evaluate projects, assess performance, and plan future activities. Teams review feedback, discuss challenges, and develop strategies for success. This process helps foster creativity and support artistic growth. Sports teams conduct case reviews to analyze games, assess performance, and develop strategies. Coaches and players review footage, discuss plays, and identify areas for improvement. This process helps teams learn from mistakes and achieve better results. Media organizations use case reviews to evaluate content, assess audience response, and plan future projects. Teams review feedback, analyze data, and develop strategies to engage viewers. This process helps improve quality and reach wider audiences. Marketing teams conduct case reviews to analyze campaigns, assess results, and develop new strategies. Teams review data, discuss successes and failures, and plan future actions. This process helps improve effectiveness and achieve marketing goals. In summary, a case review is a structured process used across many fields to evaluate situations, identify issues, and make informed decisions. By involving the right people, following a clear agenda, and documenting outcomes, organizations can learn, improve, and achieve better results. Whether you're participating in a case review for the first time or looking to refine your approach, understanding the process can help you contribute more effectively and confidently.